The world's most dangerous insects, life among Earth's deadliest tiny creatures. Welcome to Eagle Family Drama. They are small, sometimes almost invisible. They can live beneath leaves, inside trees, underground, or even inside our homes. But size means nothing when nature gives a creature powerful venom, toxic chemicals, or a weapon designed for survival. Welcome to a world where danger can come from something smaller than your fingernail. This is the story of the world's most dangerous insects. A hidden world, across forests, deserts, grasslands, and tropical regions. Millions of insects live around us. Most are completely harmless, but a small number have developed extraordinary defenses. Some inject venom through a sting, others deliver painful bites. Some produce toxic chemicals that can burn, irritate, or poison predators. And others use their venom to paralyze prey before feeding. For these tiny creatures, these weapons are not designed to attack humans. They are tools for survival. The bullet ant, deep inside the tropical forests of Central and South America, lives an insect famous for an extraordinarily painful sting. The bullet ant. It is a large ant with powerful mandibles and an equally impressive sting. Its venom causes intense pain that can last for many hours. For a predator, attacking one of these ants can be a serious mistake. But the bullet ant does not search for humans. Its real battles take place within the forest, where colonies compete for territory and resources. For such a small creature, cooperation is one of its greatest strengths. Thousands of ants can work together as a single colony. The giant Asian hornet. Now we move into the world of the Asian giant hornet. One of the largest hornets in the world, it possesses a powerful sting and strong mandibles. These hornets are predators. They can attack other insects, including bees, and a group can overwhelm a colony. Their behavior demonstrates an important rule of nature. The most dangerous creature is not always the largest. Sometimes it is the creature with the most effective strategy. A common mistake. Before we continue, there is an important distinction. Not every dangerous arthropod is an insect. Spiders, scorpions, ticks, and centipedes are often called insects in everyday conversation, but scientifically they belong to different groups. Our journey today focuses primarily on true insects. But some of the world's most medically significant venomous arthropods are found outside the insect group. Nature, apparently, decided one classification system wasn't enough. The driver ant. In the forests of Africa live enormous colonies of driver ants. Unlike solitary predators, these ants rely on overwhelming numbers. Millions of individuals can move together in organized columns. They attack and consume a wide variety of small animals and insects. Their strength comes from cooperation. One ant may be tiny. An entire colony is something else entirely. When thousands of individuals work together, even much larger creatures can be forced to move away. The Tarantula Hawk. Despite its name, the Tarantula Hawk is actually a wasp. It has one of the most remarkable hunting strategies in the insect world. The female searches for a large spider. After finding one, she uses her sting to temporarily paralyze it. The spider is then used as food for her developing offspring. It sounds like science fiction, but this behavior is completely natural. The wasp is not trying to be cruel. It is simply following an evolutionary strategy that has been refined over countless generations. The Bombardier Beetle. Then there is an insect with one of nature's strangest chemical defenses. The Bombardier Beetle, when threatened, it can release a hot chemical spray toward an attacker. The beetle produces chemicals that react inside its body and are expelled as a defensive blast. It is an extraordinary example of biological engineering. No claws, no giant teeth, no powerful muscles, just chemistry. The deadliest can be the smallest. When people imagine dangerous insects, they often picture giant wasps or aggressive ants. But some of the greatest danger comes from a creature far smaller. The mosquito. Mosquitoes do not have powerful venom. Their danger comes from something else. They can transmit diseases between humans and animals. Because mosquitoes are widespread and interact with enormous numbers of people, they have a much greater impact on human health than most large predatory insects. The lesson is simple. Danger is not always about strength. Sometimes it is about numbers. Survival in a dangerous world. Every insect we have encountered has evolved a different solution to the same problem. How do I survive? The bullet aim uses Venom. The giant Hornet combines speed, strength, and powerful jaws. Driver ants rely on overwhelming numbers. The Tarantula Hawk uses precision and paralysis. The Lonomia Caterpillar relies on toxins. The Bombardier Beetle uses chemistry. And mosquitoes have become highly successful disease vectors. Different weapons, different environments. One goal, survival. Should we be afraid? Despite their terrifying reputations, most insects do not spend their lives searching for humans. They are trying to find food, protect their nests, reproduce, avoid predators, and survive another day. Most encounters happen because humans accidentally disturb them or enter their habitat. That is why the safest approach is simple. Observe wildlife from a safe distance. Never handle an unfamiliar insect. Never disturb a nest or colony. And never assume that a harmless appearance means harmless behavior. Should we be afraid? Despite their terrifying reputations, most insects do not spend their lives searching for humans. They are trying to find food, protect their nests, reproduce, avoid predators, and survive another day. Most encounters happen because humans accidentally disturb them or enter their habitat. That is why the safest approach is simple. Observe wildlife from a safe distance. Never handle an unfamiliar insect. Never disturb a nest or colony. And never assume that a harmless appearance means harmless behavior.